Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting announcements in immersive education, EON FlowTutor, a new AI learning experience powered by OpenAI's study mode.
That's right. This isn't your average e-learning platform. FlowTutor combines over 30 AI agents with adaptive tutoring to create fluid, real-time learning environments. No more rigid lesson plans.
Exactly. It's all about Socratic questioning, personalized feedback, and continuous assessment. The platform responds to each learner's input, shifting between teaching and evaluating as needed.
What really impressed me is how FlowTutor breaks down the walls between instruction and engagement. The AI doesn't just teach, it collaborates, challenges, and coaches, almost like having a patient, expert human tutor available 24/7.
And it's designed for autonomy too. Learners drive their own journey through open-ended mission-based simulations. The whole experience is seamless and dynamic.
For institutions and training providers looking to elevate their learning models, FlowTutor could be a game changer.
Definitely. If you're ready to explore the future of AI-driven education, check out eonreality.com to learn more about FlowTutor. Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.